What?
This is mine.
Oh, you read your name. Kung yan sa'yo. Is it from Ate?
Isa!
No, Ate Zoe.
But where's me?
You say, thank you, Ate Zoe. Oh, say thank you.
Take out the sorry.
Wow, ang galing ni Ella.
Cute.
And this is for
Kaden.
Kaden. Oh, you read.
I don't know.
Oh, you read
From,
From this one. What's name is this?
sorry.
Yes, that's from Ate Zoe.
Yay!
What will you say?
Thank you, Auntie Sorry. Take out the sorry.
Ang galing na Ella.
Hello. Welcome to our channel again.
Okay, what are you gonna say?
We're going to the bank before we go to McDonald's because we're going to McDonald's later. So that's why we're going to McDonald's later.
Ayun, sarado pala yung pupuntahan sana naming kainan for lunch. Ay, nagde-jogging pa. No? Kaya pupunta muna tayo sa bangko pa may papaayos. Tapos, McDonald's, walang choice. Dito lang din. Gusto ko nga sa Cornwall pala sana, Daryl. Doon na lang sa ano, no? Gusto mo? Oh, diba? Let's go na lang, anak, sa Cornwall.
No, McDonald's.
Later na lang yung McDonald's.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Para may talagang totoong food, no? Daryl? Ayun. Oh, what will you say to Ate Zoe for the gift?
Thank you, Auntie Sorry.
What, Ella?
Thank you, Auntie Sorry.
Okay, good job. Ang galing ni Ella, no? Clear na clear. Thank you, Ate Zoe.
I said sorry. Thank you, Auntie Sorry, Mommy.
Good job. So, you say please?
Please. Like it's subscribe to our channel.
Pati yung isa. Oh, Ella, what will you say? Channel lang ata. Intindihan.
No!
Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Christmas!
And?
Please like and subscribe to
No,
our channel.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
New Year. Ayan, so ilang days na lang Christmas na. Wala pa kaming naisip na lutuin kasi nga may trabaho naman ako. Si Daryl nag-off na nun, di ba? Approve ba? Yun lang, baka papuntahin ka. So, tingnan natin. Pero hindi naman yun ano, di ba? Kasi hindi naman yun Saturday. Tuesday yun. Ganda ng clouds doon. Blue na blue. Ayun guys, dito tayo sa Turo-Turo. Yeah, you want pansit? Anak, oh. Dito ka kumuha. Yeah, anak. Ba't di mo kinuhanan si Ella para ano, sana? Mga ponytail yung si Ella. Ang daming nakapila din.
One eternity later.
May fire
I
alarm.
thought you need to get out of here.
Bakit kaya? Tingin ka nga ng ano nila. Mga ano, winter boots. Ha? Malalaki?
Malalaki ito eh. Ano natin medyo mamaya.
Ang dami.
I want to go to
250.
Mahal pa din yung ano niya, no? Hanap ka nung katulad ng nakita ko. Pero mas mahal ang mga sa lalaki, no? Hintayin natin pag nag-ano to. Diba?
We need to get out.
Ito mga kids ko.
Mm.
We need to get out.
O meron nga sila do. Uy, Daryl, oh. Snow pants.
We need to get out.
Okay din, try it.
We need to get out, Daddy.
$14.99 na lang.
I want to get out.
45.
Look, oh. Ang dami.
No, I won't.
Baby.
I said I won't.
Baby. Oo nga, infant girls. Dami. Uy!
Why?
Ang dulas. Ayan.
I like to see my head go.
Lapit na kami. Uwi na kami. Ayan. Uwi na tayo. So, at may nabili naman kami.
Oh, wait.
Pero, hindi pa kompleto. Sorry, magulo to. At nakita rin namin sila Ate Army. Hi, Ate Army. Shout out sa inyo. Okay din, don't shout naman, anak. Ang sikip. Dari lang sikip. No?
Masigit yung nagsiksik eh.
Yeah. Hello, ka-dreamers! You say hello, anak.
Hello, customers.
So, lalabas kami ngayon para mag-picture ng Santa
Yes,
sa
Papa
Cabela's.
Lisa.
Kaso nga lang, dadaan muna kami sa grocery, then sa Indigo after ng picture. So, tara, samahan nyo kami today.
One eternity later.
Na, yung hug ko yan na. Ay, sis! Ay, hindi ko nakita. Dalawahin mo na.
Dalawa?
Tignan niyo yung hair ni Ella. Nakapony na siya. Yung pambabad pala. Sprite, no? Di ko na.
Oo.
Oo.
Sprite.
Sprite.
Mom, did you...
Gagawa rin ako ng Shanghai. Saan?
Ayun.
Sprite. O, dito na tayo. Tara na, magbayad na. So, ayan guys. Nakabili na tayo ng pang-leche plan natin. Parang yun lang yung handa na.
4th Avenue toward
Pero
Broad
okay lang.
Street. Then turn left onto Broad Street.
Say
I
hi.
can buy gift wrap.
Yes.
Yay, gift wrap.
Oh, let's go.
Yay.
Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Puting-puti.
In 3 kilometers, take the Albert Street.
Oo, coral reefs. Diba? Talagang pumuti na siya. Pero sulit na sulit tong halaman na to, no? Buhay na buhay hanggang anong all season siya. Yan. Nung first time natin dito, talagang na-amaze ako. Hanggang ngayon naman din, na-amaze pa din ako sa ganda niya. Hindi naman niya nag-fade. O, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Ganda mag-picture. Tutorial dito. Sa Wascana, no? Lamig nga lang. Tiis ganda ka. Ganito rin yung design nila last year. Yan. Kaso hapon din na kami. Dati gabi. Oh, you open.
Yep.
Yeah.
Father.
Dulas. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo dito. Nakadalawang ulit kami kasi si Kaden nagwawaki. Binuhat ni Santa Claus nung una pero nung pangalawa ayaw niya nang buhati. Ang bigat eh. Di ba Kaden? Did you sit on Santa's lap?
Yes.
And what did Santa say?
I don't know.
You're heavy. Ayaw na tuloy. Hi! Merry Christmas! Ito yung handa natin. Oh. Ate, kailangan mo buksan yung gift namin para magamit mo na ngayon.
Wala pa nga kami gift.
Hindi, busy. Oh? Max, Merry Christmas! Buti pa si Max, gising si Ella, tulog.
Sayang naman.
Nakakain eh.
A few moments later.
Okay. You say Merry Christmas, ka-dreamers!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, why? Why are you so excited?
Because I like I'm gonna open the gifts.
Oh, sige, find your name there and you open it. Ha?
What is it?
Meron na, ibaba mo na
Bakit yun?
lang. Oo, yung mga
What
ano.
did it says?
Nilagay ko sa ref nila yung dalawa.
Okay,
Para
then
sa
it says, what did it say?
Oh, you get that. Is that for Kaden?
What?
Oh, you open one only, then let's wait for adding tomorrow, okay?
What?
You open one gift muna today. Oh, find one. Hey?
It says Kaden.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want that? From which one?
Sorry.
Okay. You read first too.
To Kaden from Sorry.
Okay, are you ready to open? Okay. You sit down. You show your face here. Hey. Are you so excited?
Yes.
You put that. Oh no! What's that? Oh, you open more. You open pa. Dito pa. Oh. Wait lang. Masisira. You open this. Be careful. Wow! Oh, there's this one. Wow! It's a hoodie! Oh, ay, wait lang, anak. Na. Wait lang. Oh, what will you say?
Thank you, Auntie Sorry.
Okay, let me check. Let me check that. Show it. Wow. It's so nice. You're gonna wear this, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Auntie Zoe. Okay, another one.
It's so big.
Okay, you wanna open?
Yes.
So excited?
It's a box.
It's a box. Yeah. From, hindi mo ni-read kung kanino. From this one. Oh, you just, it's from Tita Cynthia.
Is it the Lola?
Lola Cynthia. Open it. Are you excited?
There's some paper.
There's some, okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, ate. Are you open it?
Thank you for the gift.
You're welcome, ate.
Another tape. Oh no, another tape. There's something black.
What's that? Oh, wow. What's this? Wow, so cute. It's just like a Funko Pop.
What?
Funko Pop. Oh, picture. Good job. Okay. Next, you want to open that?
What?
That one.
Where?
On that green bag. The one that red, white, and wheels, like a pinwheels.
This one?
Yeah, you check if it's your name, huh?
Yes.
It is Kaden?
Yes.
Let me check. Oh, this one is from to Kaden. Merry
Yay!
Christmas! From Tita Weng and Tito Ricky. Thank you po. You say thank you po.
Thank you, Paul.
So excited?
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
What? Spider-Man?
Yes. Uy. Sobrang happy.
Spider-Man!
You happy?
Yes.
Oh, what will you say?
Thank you, Paul.
Uy, happy siya sa gift niya. Oh, Tomorrow you will open another gifts, okay? Tomorrow again, okay?
Okay.
Oh, clean up na anak. Mm. Good job.
But I can wake up later.
Ha?
I can wake up later.
Yes, of course.
So that we can open our gifts.
Sumigaw pa siya dito sa Spider-Man. You love this gift?
Yes.
And this one too, oh. Ang ganda nito, oh.
Yes. And that one too.
Good job. What will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
And Mary?
Oh, ganda.
Christmas.
From Ate Zoe yan. Ayan po. Binabalot naman ni Daryl yung pang-gift namin. Tomorrow sa elephant. Elephant game? Parang ganon. First time ni Daryl magbalot ng regalo, no Daryl? Tignan ko nga, maayos naman. So, effective yung mga sinesend ko sa'yo kung paano pagbalot.
Hindi ko pa napapanood lahat.
Ay, grabe.
Busy ako eh.
Eh, di ba? Ayusin mo yan, ha? Mukha mo nakasalalay dyan.
Wow! Mukha-mukha ah.
Sila, nasa, na, Pilipinas na yun.
Ano yan?
Tutulog na ako. Alam, sakit.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile.